Hey guys, it's Melanie. Long time no see. The last haul that I filmed was a Hawaii haul. This one is pretty different because this video is going to be a fall haul. We've completely switched seasons. I went from being all summer like,
woohoo, it's hot, bikinis, choker shell necklaces, VSCO girl.
Now I'm like,
haha, it's time for plaid and pumpkins and spice and jeans.
oh god, I hate jeans. Oh, I also want to say a huge thank you to Windsor for sponsoring this video. Make sure to check out their site at windsorstore.com. As you will see in this haul by the crazy amount of adorable clothing pieces that I've gotten. Windsor offers so many awesome styles for the fall season and for spring break, so be sure to check all of that out. I'll have the links in my description, link below of course. Also be sure to follow me on my Instagram and other social medias if you want to see outfit ideas and inspiration, because I've been posting a lot of those recently. Ooh. Usually, I'm not gonna lie, I'm really excited for fall. I'm like, yeah, I don't know. I feel like fall was, you know, my jam a little while back. You get all cozy, it's the perfect season. The leaves are so pretty, fall style. But this year, I'm just
not feeling it.
I just really can't handle this weather here anymore, and it's already raining. But you know, I still love fall style, minus the fact that you have to wear pants.
I absolutely hate pants.
They're so uncomfortable. Melanie, shut up. You know what? We're just gonna get started. First, let me take a thumbnail. Oh my goodness gracious. We're gonna start off. For some reason, I still got tank tops because you can still wear tank tops in the fall. You know, you just layer on top of it. They're a great basic. These are my favorite kind of tank tops right now. They just look kind of slick and chic or something like that. The ones from Windsor are really, really affordable and also great quality, which I love. Basically, they're just these little tiny things. They're really small. Straight cut, super, super soft also. And then they have the very thin straps. So I got one in red, one in, well, that one, okay, so now I'm not making sense. Okay, that one was like a straight cut. This one though is a V-neck, which I think is cute, and it's this baby blue color, which gets kind of weird because you don't want to wear it with denim, but then like, so I usually wear them with like black jeans, but you know, that doesn't matter. And then I also got in this fun leopard print. You know, I've been getting more into the prints lately. I also have this one. The material's a little bit different. It's still very thick and good quality, but this one's like a nude tone, but it's like a different shade than my skin, as you can see, which is good, or else I'll look naked. I also have these two tank tops that have thicker straps. I have this one that's black and it's straight cut across, which I think is very, very classy. It's also good because you can wear like a lot of nice jewelry. As I say in every video, I'm trying to up my style a little bit, you know, just look a little more mature. I say that in every video. I also got this tank top and I absolutely love this one. This is what it looks like. It's another straight cut across kind of thing. I don't know why I said like that. But I just really like the tones in this plaid color. It's kind of like a brown, orange, and navy. I don't know. It would look super cute with like some boyfriend jeans and then like a cardigan or over a white tight t-shirt. It also has like a scrunched back, which is cool because then it fits a little better, you know? It's a little bit more flattering. I also got these two floral tops, which are fun. This one has a smocked top and then the sleeves are a little bit flowy. Although it's floral, I think this gives very fall vibes just because of the tone. And the front is also very open, so I think this would look great with like some layered, or you know, like I think it'll look good with like a dainty little necklace. That'd be nice. And it also has this little tie thing. I think that's just for style. I don't know if it does anything, but it has a little tie thing in the front, which is cool. And this one as well is a fun shape. It's all like off the shoulder, so like the body is smocked again and then it's off the shoulder, and then the sleeves are like kind of flowy, I guess. I think this would look really good with some like straight cut jeans also, and like some little booties. Okay, now I'm getting excited for fall fashion just because of this video, so thanks Windsor for that. What else do I have? I'll show you some pants. I got these. It's basically the same thing, and I got them in pants and shorts because I'm kind of stupid. These are the pants. They're just black. What are they called? Paperback pants, I guess. Not like tapered or anything. They're just straight cut. These are pretty formal. I don't know if I'd wear these on a normal school day just because I'm not super like, I don't dress that nice to school, y'all. I am taking like an accounting class, and I know we have to dress business casual for our presentations and stuff, so this is gonna be perfect for that. I also got the same thing in a short style. I think they're really cool also. They're very thick, nice quality. It's literally the same thing, just in shorts. And I think these are very adorable as well. I'm not really sure how to style these. You'd wear them with a blouse or something. I guess you could dress them up or down. I'm not sure. I don't really know. I also got a couple sweaters because it's
sweater season.
I got 3 of the same one in different colors. Like, I know that's really bad, but
I really
like this sweater, okay? So, I've been very into this cropped sweater thing, like the button-up. It's kind of like a hard cardigan, but then it's also a sweater. So, this is what it looks like. It has like a V-cut front and back, which I think is pretty cool. So, you can like slouch it and make it off the shoulder. I got it in this cream-ish white, which is probably my favorite of the bunch. And then I also got it in black. So, I'm absolutely in love with this. Definitely gonna wear it with like bralettes and cute accessories and stuff like that. So that's what that looks like. And then I got 2 more sweaters that are like
thicker.
They're not really like knit. I don't even know what it's called. I don't know how to describe it. This one is like ribbed and it's kind of mauve, I guess. I don't really know how to describe colors either. It's a little bit more like purple gray. I'm not sure. Very thick and super soft. Very much enjoy this one. And then this one, again, I think this was cropped, but it's just like a deeper V and it's a ribbed, thicker material. I think I'd have to wear like a tank top underneath this one or else I'd look a little bit naked or something like that. I don't have that much more, which is good. These couple tops. One's just a plain black v-neck because I actually don't have one, which is kind of weird. Plain black v-neck. I don't want to say like, oh, I need this, but black v-necks tucked into like those distressed boyfriend jeans. That's the style. And this one's kind of like an elevated black v-neck. You can't see it here. You might be able to see it in the try-on, but it has a little ruching, scrunching down the front, which is very flattering and a nice little detail. As for pants, I just got a couple. I got these leggings and they're thermal leggings. I'm so excited to wear these. They're literally like fuzzy on the inside, and I know I used to have something like this when I was younger and I'd wear them when I went like ice skating or would play in the snow, but now I can just wear these to school and then my legs won't be freezing off, or I can just wear them in like around the house because they literally feel like pajamas. Even though I talked about how much I literally hate jeans, I got 2 pairs and I'm actually very excited for these ones. They look very promising, but they're both skinny jeans and they're like light wash and they have nice, very natural distressings in the knees, which I'm very excited for. This one is the Clara high-rise skinny crop. Kind of a long name, but you know, that's how companies like it. And this one is the Josie mid-rise skinny crop. I really like how these ones have the distressing on the ends. I think that's very nice. Only a few more clothing pieces. Haha, notice how I said clothing because I also have some accessories to show you guys. Love that for me. I have this jacket, which I am in love with. It's just this black denim jacket, I guess. Then it's distressed, like cropped, because we all know I love cropped. It's just what I wear. But it's also super soft, worn in denim, but it's new. You know what I'm saying? So it's comfortable because denim can be very stiff, but this one is very comfy. And I also have been needing some kind of black outerwear so that I don't always wear like a black hoodie on top of stuff because that kind of makes me look
a little bit homeless.
So I'm very excited for this. I know I'm gonna be wearing this all the time. And then I got a couple like dresses and skirts. I got 2 dresses and 1 skirt. First off, this skirt, I really like the pattern. I am excited for this. It looks exactly like the ones I saw on Brandy, like by the shape of it and everything and feel, but it is much more affordable. So it's just like a little short mini skirt and then the front has the 2 little slits. Very flattering. I very much enjoy that, and it's just this like black, red, and white plaid print, which I think is great for the fall. I also got 2 dresses. This one, which is purple. I don't own a lot of purple stuff, so I'm kind of excited for this. And it's just a plain little mini dress. It has this little bow in the front, which I think is a super adorable little detail. The quality of this is amazing. And then this one is a very fall dress. This one's like a little bodycon kind of thing, and it is this plaid Burberry looking print, which I think is super fun. It's also very stretchy and like soft, like bodycons should be. Very good quality. So I am excited for this. This would look great with some black booties, and oh my gosh, this would look super good with this jacket. I see it already. I'm really excited for this.
See, now I'm in the mood for fall.
Okay, believe it or not, that was all of the clothes. That took
so long.
But I have a couple little accessory things to show you guys, and I'm gonna zoom through this, okay? I'll show you guys pretty quick. First off, for bags, I got this little backpack because this is adorable. Like, I can't use this for school, obviously, because it's too small, sadly, because it was very nice and classy, but sometimes backpacks are just way easier because they hold so much. I really like this one, and also the shade of it. It's kind of like this nudish color, so it would go with a lot of stuff. And then this one, okay, I might be a little stupid for this one.
Just a little bit stupid.
But I actually really love it. So it's just this mini purse. It's mini, y'all. This is just gonna hold my phone. It's basically a wallet with a little, what's this called? Not string, whatever that's called, you know? I'll give this to my daughter when she's like 5 years old because it'll be the perfect size for her. For now, I'll just use it to hold my phone and my $2. I love things that are mini, okay? Imagine if I put Russell in this. Russell's foot could fit in this, and that's pretty much it. Now on to a few little accessory things you guys probably don't care about, but I got a bunch of like boob bra thingies. Those, what is it, sticky bras. I got one of those. I don't know about you guys, sometimes they can be kind of hard to find, and they can also be really expensive. Like, even at Target, the sticky bras get a little pricey there. But now I know Windsor has them, and they have a huge variety of them. So I got 3 sets of earrings, and then I got one little hair accessory, just like these little safety pins, but they're bedazzled and they're pretty chunky and big. I thought this, you know, I would try out the little trend where you put them like here. I'm not sure. That's the fun thing though. You can try stuff out. For my earrings, I got a bunch of sets, like studs, and then also hoops. They're all bejeweled, and then it has them in like silver, gold, and rose gold. Then I also got this gold set that I really like because it has a variety of different hoops and studs. I really like the triangle studs, and I also really like all the hoops because even though they're kind of similar, the small variations in them, you know, it can change a lot to your outfit. That's what I like to tell myself. And then this last set, I'm super happy with. It comes with these 2 little like fake cartilages, which I don't really need because I have my like cartilages pierced, but what I'm excited about are these little hoops. So it comes in silver and gold, and these are the perfect little baby hoops. Like, I've been looking for some baby hoops that are like a little bit thicker. Okay guys, so believe it or not, we've finally came to the end of this haul. Now I need to go try all these things on, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and you're as excited for fall and fall fashion as I am now also. Be sure to check out Windsor store if you want to find any of these items. Again, they're going to be linked in my description, and also be sure to follow me on Instagram if you want to see more fashion inspiration. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!